guys, it's Angel. I am back in the kitchen and today we're going to be making these delicious pork belly sous vide egg bites. Now if you know me, you'll know that I love pork belly. It's pretty much a once a week staple for me. And lately I've been into these sous vide egg bites that you get at Starbucks. They're delicious and they're actually even better with my braised pork belly. Now this video is part of a 10-minute recipe prep challenge sponsored by Galanz. And as an added bonus, I have a giveaway at the end of this video where you can win this kitchen appliance and make these at home. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. First, let's prepare our egg bite base. We're going to need a blender for this, and blending this will help make all the ingredients nice, light, and fluffy when we steam our egg bites. And we'll start by taking 4 eggs and putting them into the blender. Next, we'll need some cottage cheese, and I'm actually using some 4% whole milk cottage cheese here, which will give it some nice protein. Next, 3/4 cups of cheese. I'm using cheddar cheese. 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then we'll cover the lid and blend. Just give it a nice light blending. And we're done. Now off to the side, I have these silicone cups or molds, and I'm just going to give it a light coating of avocado oil spray. And that just helps to prevent sticking. Next, I'm going to put a little layer of cheese on the bottom of each of these cups. Then we're going to pour in our egg bite mixture. Now for the goodies, I have some kimchi, which I like to add to give it a little bit of spice, some broccoli florets, and I have some leftover braised pork belly that I cooked last night. If you're interested in how to make my braised pork belly recipe, I will leave a link in the video description below. And I'm just going to slice the pork belly into small pieces. You could also use any other type of leftover meat that you have, such as chicken, or you can even use Chinese sausage or bacon. And I just like to add a few bits of pork belly into each egg bite cup. And finally, let's top it off with some fresh ground pepper. And we're done. Now we're ready to steam. Now I'm going to prepare my Galanz multi-cooker for steaming. I have the steaming rack. Place that in there, and then we're going to add some water. Next, add our egg bites. Cover that with the lid, and then we're going to start by steaming. Set the timer to 22 minutes and press start. Now, if you have smaller egg bites, because you're using different egg bite molds, it may take less time, so make sure to keep an eye on that. While we're waiting for the steaming, I just want to say a quick thank you to Galanz for sponsoring today's video and multi-cooker giveaway. You guys know that I love cooking at home, and in addition to cooking on the stove, I'll oftentimes grab for an air fryer, a pressure cooker, and what's cool about this appliance is that in addition to all the features that I mentioned before, this machine also does sauteing, sous vide, roast, and it even makes rice, which is handy for all types of cuisines. So if you guys are interested in checking out this multi-function cooker, I'll leave a link in the video description below, along with details on how you can enter my giveaway. Or follow me on Instagram for more details. After they're done steaming, remove the egg bites and let them cool for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. And that is how you make pork belly egg bites. And now for the taste test. Wow, so that was delicious. There was a little burst of flavor from the braised pork belly fat, and then there's the broccoli and the creaminess of the cheese and the egg. It's all very delicious, and I can't believe we made this in under 10 minutes prep time. I'm Angel, thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And check out the giveaway details in the video description below, along with the Galanz appliance if you're interested in that. And as my grandpa would say, sharing a meal with a fascinating stranger is one of life's true delights. So until we can share some braised pork belly egg bites together, take care, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!